Alright guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that we do have a Dollar General clearance event going on right now, and it is going to run through Sunday, October the 22nd. Now, I have already uploaded a couple of videos going over some updates with you all and all of the things, but make sure that you stick around until the end, because I do have another deal for the clearance event to share with you all. Plus, today is Saturday, so don't forget about our 5 off 25s. If you've missed out on any of these videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. Please keep in mind that these prices will not change until Tuesday, October the 24th. So first up, we have our spring and summer apparel, shoes, and accessories going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, October the 24th. That does include our yellow dot and green star items. Now, please don't forget that the flip-flops are excluded from this category, so those will still be ringing up full price. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at a few of the items that are included in this category. Now, I will let you guys know, I have already uploaded a full yellow dot and green star visual video for you all. It will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. But here's just a little sneak peek. There's a lot included in these categories. And some people think that, well, if my stores no longer carry the apparel items, I'm not going to be able to find the yellow or the green star. However, that's a complete myth. You can definitely find these items at all DG stores. Just look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and definitely scan before you go up to the register. And if you want to make things even easier on yourself, make sure that you go and check out that full visual video. And like I said, that's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Next up, we have our insecticides going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, October the 24th. And here's a look at all the items that are included in this category. Alright guys, now let's move on into our penny list. But first, don't forget that the #1 rule to penny shopping is that we do not ask employees about penny items, alright? These items are supposed to be moved off of the sales floor, so we don't want to give the employees a heads up that we're in there penny shopping. So all you need to do is go into your local Dollar General stores, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your correct store location set, because as with all clearance and penny lists, your miles may vary. If that item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. And if you want to check out the Dollar General penny policy, I have posted that over on the community tab. And for our penny list this week, we have our sun care category going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, October the 24th. And here's a look at all the items that are included in this category. Alright guys, so that wraps up our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But I do have one more deal to share with you all, so make sure that you stick around and please watch the video all the way through until the end. But before we get into this deal, I do want to say thank you so much to a few special people who have sent in pictures, shared deals, sent in emails, reached out to me on Instagram. All of those things really do help me out, and I love hearing from you all. So thank you so much. So first up, huge shout out and thank you to Couponing with Brandy. Girl, I see in the comments, thank you so much for all of your support. If you guys are not subscribed to Couponing with Brandy, make sure that you go and check her out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Also, huge shout out to some amazing crazy couponers, Michelle, Melissa, Sachin, I hope I'm saying that name correctly, Callie, and Heather. You guys have been such a big help. Thank you for sending in your pictures. Thank you for sharing deals, sending in emails, and reaching out on Instagram. It really does mean the world to me. Now, speaking of sharing deals, let's go ahead and talk about this deal. So, like I said at the beginning, we have a Dollar General clearance event going on right now, and it is going to run through Sunday, October the 22nd. So you can do this deal through October the 22nd. So during this clearance event, we have pink square swim and summer toys. These are currently sitting at 70% off, but during this clearance event, they are an additional 50% off. So that's already 85% off, which is a fantastic deal all by itself. But this deal gets even better because we do have this promotion. This one's been around for a few weeks now, but it's when you spend $75 on toys, you're going to save an additional 25%. So what you want to do is go into your local Dollar General store, pick up $500 worth of pink square swim and summer toys. Now, you are going to calculate and add up the regular prices. So whatever the price tag says, that's the number that you're going to add up, and you're going to build it up to $500 worth. Now, let's do a little math. So 70% off, that is going to bring it down to $150. During the clearance event, the additional 50% off brings us down to $75, and that means that we are going to meet that promotion and get an additional 25% off. That's going to bring your total down to $56.25. And if you want to do this deal today, you can use your 5 off $25 coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $51.25 for $500 worth of toys. Now keep in mind that this category does include some really big items like the big pools and things like that. So definitely keep that in mind. Now, I do understand that this deal is not going to be for everyone, but it is a big savings, so I definitely wanted to share. Maybe there's some resellers out there, maybe you like to donate, or maybe you just have a ton of grandkids that you want to make really happy come next summer. Now, also, don't forget that if you're looking for some more 5 off $25 scenarios, I uploaded a video yesterday going over 7 amazing deals. So, that video will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me for now. I'm going to run out to Dollar General right now and do a few 5 off $25 scenarios myself. I will be posting updates on the community tab, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned for that. And of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe if you haven't already, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.